Okay guys, today we're trying a new spot out at the river. So we're gonna see how this works here. See if we can hook up with any bass or anything. I'm gonna have to weight this Senko. River current's too fast, keeps it floating on top. Wow. See, that wasn't that bad, was it? Let's try it. Pitch it right out there. So we can hit him up on. Man, skeeters are really bad out here. Very unsafe. Let's try it. Looks like fun. I want to try just around that bend. Hey, Cody! I'm coming across the tree, homie. Dang. Whole tree got uprooted. Cody, are you heading over this way? Be careful. Not too bad. How about you? All right, so here we are fishing in the river. We're trying a bunch of different baits, see what we can get to bite on, but we haven't been able to get anything yet. So we might, we tried from the bank, we tried Senkos, we tried twisters. Well, that's what I got on right now, Mr. Twister, but, oh, perfect, perfect. We tried poppers, we tried spinners, we've tried everything. I know there's a bunch of bass right up here, we could see them. We just can't seem to hook any up. Okay guys, so I forgot to turn on my camera.
Oh yeah, he's a good fish.
Look at him, first bass of the day.
Heck yeah.
He would be a good tank.
Trying out a new spot.
I'm cheesed.
All I was doing was running this Mr. Twister right here by the shore, guys. Little 12-incher. Kissy, kissy, fishy.
And the release.
Man, I tried over here.
That's all I was doing was just jigging this Mr. Twister over by these trees. Got off right there, dude. Boy, he messed up my Mr. Twister too. Boy, he tore my Mr. Twister up. What in the Sam Dickens is wrong with that little fish? He was about a 2-pounder. Trying to get right back to that same spot that I was at, but because I had 2 hooked up right there, man. Both of them got off. Oh, you did, Cody. You just didn't hook him up.
I got one.
Oh, yeah, I told you. I told you.
Yeah, that was a good one.
They're following it for quite a ways. That's what I've noticed. They're hitting up closer here towards the shore, and they're following it for a long ways. I don't know what the deal is, but
Yeah, they get off when they jump and shake.
yeah. Now you got to make sure to set the hook.
Yeah. Oh, got another one.
Okay, set him, Code Man.
I got him. Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah.
Oh, heck yeah, that's a good 18-inch bass,
Yeah.
baby.
Oh.
Man, boy, he wanted that thing. He ate the crap out of it.
Oh, he just stabbed me. It bit me. Well, he's still there.
Yep, he's still right there. Here, hold my pole. Hold my pole. I'll see if I can get him real quick.
That's my Gary size.
Come here, Mr. Bass. Come here. Say ah. No. Say ah. Hey. Say ah. Got him?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, wait.
Just lay my pole down, it's all right. You want your picture taken with the lure that you were using?
Yeah.
That's a saltwater lure, by the way, Cody. All right, got you. Wham, bam, thank you, officer.
Is he big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was.
He was.
Hey, Siri. Stupid dragonfly is trying to land on my line. Oh, got a nut. Hooked up, fellas. Right there at the shoreline. Oh man, he swallowed that. Son of a gun. Wow, that was an inhale. Oh, nice little 12-incher. You must have been watching. Mwah. Have to make sure to go home and kiss my wife now. Got to kiss a couple of fishes. That one that I just caught literally hit it like a foot off the shore. Dude, he's a nice one. He's pretty.
Yeah, I know.
I want to keep him.
I know.
I want to keep him so bad.
He would literally eat everything in the fish tank. You do realize that, right?
I know, but he's a chomper. Do you think we could like put him in? Do you think we could put him in the net and then like do something?
Nope. I'm telling you, there's some hunks in here, man.
I can guarantee you that one that you have in the net right there is probably like middle class.
Mr. Twister's all jacked up. Thanks for tuning into Yellow Outdoors. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Hit that bell icon in the corner for notifications on new updates of new videos and new posts that I've got going on. Didn't catch a lot of fish on this trip, but we caught good fish and we had a blast. And anytime you're catching fish on the water is a great time. Got some new videos coming up for you guys now that it's gotten super cold down here in Texas. Got a great hunting video for you with the how-to on some blood tracking, and then we've got some woodworking videos coming up. So stay tuned for those, and we'll see y'all in the next video.